Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Two identical 50 megawatt sites, same developer, same panels, same inverters, same location 5 kilometers apart, same weather. One site made 8.3 million per year, while the other made 6.2 million per year. There is a 2.1 million gap for supposedly identical sites. Investigation revealed the difference was data resolution and operations. Hardware. Site A had high-resolution monitoring at 1 second, optimized dispatch, and predictive maintenance. Site B used standard monitoring with 15-minute averages, reactive dispatch, and calendar maintenance. Same hardware, different data strategy led to 2.1 million per year difference. Today, I will show how data resolution is the asset, not just hardware. Most operators think performance is limited by hardware quality alone, but after a certain quality threshold, hardware performance plateaus. Two Tier 1 panels might differ by only 1 to 2% efficiency, but data strategy can change the realized revenue by 15 to 25%. High-resolution data catches micro-failures, enables real-time optimization, and allows predictive action. Low-resolution data at 15-minute averages hides ramp losses, cycling losses, transient faults, and dispatch inefficiencies. Site A with 1-second data sees every restart, every voltage sag, and every missed ramp and fixes them. Over a year, that can capture between 1 million and 3 million euros of upside. High-resolution data was expensive and storage-heavy 5 years ago, but not today. Storage is cheap, and analytics platforms automate the analysis, so you do not need a data science team. You do not need 1-second data forever. Retain 1 second for 90 days, then downsample to 1 minute, and keep 15-minute for long-term trends. A hybrid retention strategy costs under $5,000 per year for a 100 megawatt site and unlocks $500,000 to $2 million in recovery. Here is how to close the data resolution gap, starting with Step 1. Audit current data resolution and SCADA logging interval. Step 2. Identify highest value data streams like inverter output, string current, voltage, frequency, and temperature for 1-second resolution. Step 3. Enable 1-second logging on critical streams since most modern SCADA systems support higher resolution by default. Step 4. Deploy an analytics platform because raw 1-second data is useless without automated analysis. Step 5. Benchmark against historical baseline to calculate how much more you capture with high-resolution data, aiming for 300,000 to 1 million uplift in year 1 on a 100 megawatt site. Step 6. Expand across the portfolio once proven at one site so you capture portfolio-level gains. The 2.1 million gap between those two sites is your benchmark for what is possible. Your portfolio likely has a site operating like Site B earning 1 to 2 million euros per year, less than it could. That gap is pure opportunity. And we offer a free data resolution gap analysis to audit your monitoring, benchmark performance, and design an upgrade path. Most 100 megawatt portfolios discover between $500,000 and 1.5 million annual opportunity from data resolution alone. Book your analysis now. The first 10 operators receive a data upgrade roadmap. Two identical 50 megawatt sites, a 2.1 million per year difference, and the only difference was data resolution and analytics. Upgrade to 1-second monitoring and automated analytics to unlock 1 million euros or more annually without heavy new infrastructure or data science teams. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.